Wait.
Guys. meron ditong namimilit. Bili daw tayong Tesla.
I'm not joking.
Dahil nakapag-drive ng Tesla. Yung nanay.
It'd be easier for you.
Minamarket.
Mom, no.
I wanna hear the Grayson's
technically,
opinion.
I wouldn't care.
Grayson!
Listen, I wouldn't care. No, if you knew how to drive now, I would ask for I don't know, a Corvette or a Mustang. But you don't. So
Ang
just
daming
Tesla na lang.
gustong mag-aral ka muna ng mabuti.
No, I don't know. I'm good. I'm good to start.
Try mong makakuha ng award.
Mom, come on.
At
Mom.
baka mabigyan kita ng regalo.
Mom. See that. Mom, come on.
Gray! Come here. Oh. Mommy call you.
Mom, come on.
Bibili daw ng Tesla, guys. $10 lang daw ang gas for 132 kilometers. Tapos how much bi-weekly?
By month, monthly
A monthly?
is 639 a month.
Mas mahal pa nga yung SUV ko, guys. Pero SUV naman yon. Ang mahirap kasi sa lugar dito, mataas yung snow.
Then keep it. And then after you pay
Keep
for
it?
Yeah, keep it. And then after you
What
pay,
do you think of your mom?
and then if you
Rich?
No, if you pay for that now, it's done paying. You pay for this now.
We have lots of money?
I mean, you're done paying for that.
4 years pa.
Where's the rest of the? Huh?
Yeah, 4 years pa. Still 4 years. Pay off that SUV.
You have 4 more years on that?
Yeah, that's 7 years.
Oh my gosh.
In that time, tapos ka na
Yeah,
mag-aral.
I know. Might as well buy one of you.
Ma-reach mo yung mga pangarap mo, anak, sa buhay kapag ka mag-aral ka mabuti.
No.
Di lang Tesla ang makukuha mo.
Okay, then no. Just trade it then.
You get a good house.
Trade it naman. Trade it.
Kaya mag-aral. It's okay to have a friends, but you should know the limits. Right, guys? Right?
Yeah.
Wala naman kaming problema. Wala akong problema sa dalawang bata na to eh. What, Daddy? Daddy said he's offering you $100 yesterday each.
For what? Oh, the fair.
For the fair?
I don't wanna
$100?
I don't want to go to the fair.
Oh, see? Bibigyan sana ng tatay ng $100 para, kasi may perya dito. Until Saturday lang yan, nak.
I don't care.
Oh, tingnan mo. Ayaw nila.
It's so boring. I've
Yeah,
been there
right?
100 times.
Kaya nga.
It would have been better if it was a big fair, but it's like a
it's
small.
small.
And it's like
boring.
repetitive. You go to the same rides every time.
Tiny rides. Tapos haba ng pila.
You go to Vancouver and go to that big one.
Yeah,
I'd
that's
rather
better
go
than
there.
the Tesla.
Oh,
We go to
Oh,
the
no,
Vancouver.
no, screw Vancouver. Might as well go to Bora Bora.
Bora Bora?
Yeah, that's super expensive.
There's Bora Bora there?
No, I'm
What's that
joking.
Bora
That Bora
Bora?
Bora is
What's Bora Bora?
an
There.
but
Saan
look,
yan?
Look how much that is. 3,000.
3,000?
Get there. It's
Ah,
super
plane?
expensive.
Oh, grabe Pang Pilipinas mas pa. Ano yan, one way?
Bro, this is better than Philippines. I don't
There's
know.
a lot of like that in the Philippines. Better than that, nak.
No, this is better.
Palawan and nak is better than that.
I think it's, I don't know.
And Cebu.
Oh yeah, it's 2-way. Round
Ah,
trip,
okay.
2-way.
One person?
There and back, yeah, one person.
Still expensive.
Super expensive.
That's the fare ng
And then you have to
going
pay-
to Philippines.
And then you'll have to pay for the
Hotel.
the hotel and stuff. The resort, not hotel, resort.
That's why you have to help.
No, don't
Mommy.
pay for hotel, resort.
You have to help mommy to make lots of money in Facebook and YouTube.
Excellent.
No. Right? Or Lotto. Lotto na pag-asa natin para maging mayaman tayo instantly. Hi.
Let's go to Tahiti.
Saan na naman yan? Sus, pagkatapos ng Tesla, guys, gusto naman pumunta sa kung saan lugar. Bye na, end na natin to.